Hey, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Therese, known as the Paper Lover. If you're not familiar with me, I am a lover of all things creative. I love pink, as you can tell, and I like to use my creativity to make physical products, digital products for my family and friends, and for my clients. I offer B2B services for my clients, as well as I do customized branding for various individuals. So today I'm going to show you one of the things that I've actually loved to do now. I have fallen in love with making pencils. I'm going to show you what that is. Literally making pencils. I broke my lead. Literally making pencils. Like, this is a real pencil that writes. It is so stinking cute. Now, I did not make this one. I actually purchased this one, but the ones that I make are actually life size, where you can give to your family and friends. Now, I'm not going to go into full detail of how to actually make the pencils, but I'm going to give you an overview of what you need to buy to get started in a pencil business. If you're interested in learning how to do step-by-step of making the pencils, definitely click below and join my course. Well, I will be teaching you step-by-step of what to buy, how to make it, what to use. All those full details are going to be in the Paper Lover Academy. So if you're ready to see what I use as an overview, let's go. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need this tool here. You're going to need this. This is actually a foil stamping machine. And I bought, that cart too is so cute. I bought the foil stamping machine on Amazon, and there will be a link below that tells you full details of where to purchase it, as well as the cost. This is my second one that I bought. The first one I bought, I actually sent back because it really wasn't working well for me. I couldn't get a full coverage of the pencil, but this one, because of the springs, allows me to get full coverage, and it balances it out. This one actually comes with a manual, as well as you can join their Facebook group. I love this product because it's easy to set up. They give you step-by-step directions, full instructions of how to set it up. There is a WhatsApp group where you can join and ask questions. I love this. The customer service on this is absolutely amazing. So if you're interested in buying this, this will be the one to buy. This right here is beautiful. It comes with all the things that you see right here. One thing I like about this one is it has a pull-out drawer where you don't have to burn your hands trying to press it. It's a pull-out drawer that allows you to pull out that mechanism. That's a lifesaver. On this particular piece, you can move this up and down. When you pull your spring arm down, this is what comes down. So your plate will go here. It comes with a plate where you put your dies, and you would screw it into here. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. This is just a demonstration to show. It fits there, and then you pull the handle down, and it stamps it. I just smashed my finger because that was hard. And that's it. So let's turn it on, and let's make some pencils real quick. So the first thing you do is you're going to turn it on. And there's a button in the back. That's simply a button. And while this is heating up, I'm going to show you the things that come. I have invested quite a bit of money in the die making business for my pencils because it's just something I really want to do. I took the time and I made an investment to really get it. If you look behind me, that's my wall of pencils. I know it's a lot. You can't really see it, but I have a rainbow of pencils and I have a rainbow of erasers on the top of that. If you want to know the link of those, also look below and I'll tell you where they are. When you purchase the machine, it comes with this particular tool. I already have it in here, and I'm going to show you the different dies. So it comes with it comes with a little bit of foil. It comes with your tools that you'll need, as well as it comes with extra pieces as far as the mechanics, and also a fuse. So this is something definitely that you will need to pay attention to when you get it, because you don't want to have to keep going back and forth to get it repaired. I have had it for maybe a couple months. I may have used it less than 100 times, but this machine, I work a lot for the time that I've had it, and it works perfectly fine for me. And if you look, it does not take much time for it to get. I call this a grid. I'm not really sure what the technical name of it is, but it has grooves on the inside. So once you load your grid, you're going to slide it into the groove on the side of it, which goes right here. Now, I do have some precautionary items that I have purchased. I have some heat-resistant gloves, as well as some hot plates, because this particular item is going to be very hot, and you don't want to put it onto your regular surface because it will burn. So I have these little silicone mats that are heat resistant that work beautifully, and of course they're branded for my office. And I also got this on Amazon. I will put a link below. And once you load it, you're going to put it in here when it's, but I always use my gloves. So now I purchased, it depends on which model you buy. Some of them come with dies, some of them don't. I bought my dies. I did not buy all of my dies on Amazon because they don't fit the pencil. If you want to know what size dies I use and where I purchased my dies, please, please, please join me in the Paper Lover Academy and I'll give you a full video on that. So I have taken the time to sort it out by alphabet and put them in appropriate places, and I have identified them by using my label maker machine that I also bought at Amazon. And I've identified what each of those are, and I've stuck them in here because it's very important for you to stay really, really organized when you're doing this, because these are really, really tiny, tiny pieces that you're going to be using. Like this is all numbers, and I've identified them by Times New Roman, and that's the numbers. These are my Greek alphabets, Time New Romans, uppercase letters, Time New Romans, lowercase letters. So sometimes you may want your thing to be all uppercase or lowercase, and here's it is. And then the other one I have is another font. This is the one that comes standard because it's really huge. So you can do foil stamping with pencils, napkins, notebook, journals, planners, whatever you want. There is an adapter that you can buy to screw in the top, and you can actually get the plate. My plate is a 10 centimeters by 13 centimeters, so it's about that big. So you can actually take and put your logo on it, have a plate made, and then it will be perfectly well. I will be doing some more of those videos in the Paper Lover Academy. Now I am going to stamp a pencil so that you can see it in action. I have already stamped some of these pencils, and I'm going to load my machine because this baby is hot and I do not want to get burned on camera because it's going to hurt. So I'm going to put my glasses on, and I have set mine for 160 and it's on 162. It kind of got a little bit too hot, but I'm going to stick it in here as such. Now I'm going to turn it sideways. I'm going to load my jig because I have a pencil jig, and I have already identified where I want that pencil jig to go, which should be about, I've already put the line down. It's a green line base so that I can see where I want to line it up. And then I'm just simply going to screw my jig in. And I'm going to grab a blank pencil, and let's do a black. And then I'm going to take it and put it on this side where the eraser goes. I want it to be foiled gold, so I'm going to take my foil and put it like such onto my pencil. It's on 160. Pull it down. Too hot, so I need to go back and turn it down. And to do that, you simply push the button here and then go down. And you'll have to learn your machine to know which one works best. What I started doing was I started taking the time to write down which ones work best. While you are getting to find the perfect blend of heat, pressure, and foil, I have tons of what I call messes that are still good that I can donate, but I use all corners of the pencils just to make sure I'm sampling it correctly. So you could go on either side, top and bottom. So I always play with pencils before I get ready to do the real thing, because sometimes they mess up. So you have got to always have you some extras, and that's normal because you will mess up quite a few pencils until you get the rhythm just right. Now we are perfectly done. I have it on 110, and I am going to put it in here with the barrel at the top. I'm going to line it up. I'm going to slide it back in here, and I'm going to press and pull it up, and it's going to be perfect. Yes, perfect. Now let's stamp a pencil for real. Now that I know exactly what temperature it needs to be, these are not wasted. Those are going to be donated to my daughter's school. She's a kindergarten teacher, so she's always looking for pencils. So I'm going to line it up exactly like I want it. I'm going to place my foil. I have my temperature exactly where it needs to be. I'm going to push it back down there. I'm going to pull it out, and it is perfect. Now I'm going to show you how I package these. So here is my packaging that I use. This is some pretzel sleeves, and I'm able to get 5 in a pack. So I already have the pink and white version. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with my fuchsia and black. So I'm going to get 3 black, 2 fuchsia, and I'm just going to put them in like such. And I always want to make sure that the wording is at the front. Now this foil I use on this one is white. I will put a link below so that you can get yourself some foil also. And then I simply just fold it over. And there's my packaging. And then this one has a sleeve on a little piece that you can pull off. Those things always stick to me. And then I'm just simply going to fold it over, making sure that the wording is at the front. And just like that, I have packaged my pencils. And they're ready for gift giving or to sell, either way. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited to show you my hot foil stamping machine, as well as my new favorite project, my pencils. Thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, and I always forget to tell you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue to bring some amazing content to you as well as some of your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day.